Hey everyone, I want to talk about this AWS American Way scales that we use here in the office. This is a nice scale with a cover that closes on and off. You can use this for kitchen ingredients. We use it for coffee. You can put postal mail here. You can put packages if you want. See the different modes here. It's set in grams. Then you have ounces. You have troy ounces, and you have penny weight. Also, it's easy to tear if you want to. And then this does come with a tray that you can put on top, which I don't have here. You can also plug it in if you want to. And you can see here, again, this version goes from 0.1 grams all the way up to 1,000 grams. And this runs on 4 AA batteries, which should last a long time. You can see we have those in there. Again, the cover is nice to keep it nice and safe. You can see we've been using this for a while. It's a little dirty at the moment. But again, you can use it for coffee, jewelry, stamps, postage, all that kind of stuff. And very durable, and they last a long time. We are very happy with this. I use it every day for my morning coffee. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.